Wow, that's very tasty.
We're diving into the frozen side of the Espresso Martini, aka the Frappuccini Martini.
I want more from you. I want more flavor.
Okay. What do you want? What do you want?
I want orange mocha frappuccinos. It's a match made in heaven.
Cool your eyes, load your shakers. This is Absolut Drinks with AJ. Let's get shaking. So, how are we gonna mix this bad boy? As it is a frozen espresso martini, it is almost the same ingredients. We're gonna just make it longer and colder. Oh, look at that. So we're gonna need blender, Absolut Vodka, Kahlúa, milk, some ice. We're gonna do equal parts everything. So it's a really easy cocktail, coffee, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna go in with 30 ml of milk, 30 ml Kahlúa, 30 ml Absolut. Ice it up. We want quite a lot of ice in there because we're freezing it. Here we go. So you see that thick in there. You want that slushiness. I'm gonna go in with some chocolate sauce. There's no technique to this. Just wing it. Look at this, look at this. Oh, look at that. I probably over poured that one. We got some whipped cream. Oh jävlar. Here you go, Rico, this one's for you. Let it happen.
Spill King does this.
Let me get this one right. Let's go.
It's the thought that counts, AJ. That made it better, didn't it? I guess I'm getting it.
Gonna make it even more fancy. You know what? The garnish can save everything. You can put makeup on anything.
Wow, that's very tasty. But I want more from you. I want more flavor.
What do you want? What do you want?
I want orange mocha frappuccinos. It's a match made in heaven.
So we're gonna need the same as we had before, but I'm thinking, can you find me an Absolut Mandrin?
Very good idea. Here we
Nice,
go.
nice, nice. Swap that bad boy out. Some Orange Curaçao or triple sec, whatever you got.
I would love some rum.
You would love some rum in there?
A little bit of rum, a little bit of Mandarin, a little bit of Orange Curaçao.
I think orange and coffee is...
It's a match made in heaven.
There we go. I was like, I have a quote for it.
It's a match made in heaven.
I'm gonna use the same measurements. 30 mils of the milk, 30 mils of the Kahlúa. Rico wanted some rum in there. 20. I have the Orange Curaçao. You can do triple sec, whatever you want. Add some Absolut Mandrin. The Mandrin is gonna really give it that next level of flavor. We're gonna ice it up. New glasses. Look at this. This is frozen.
Smooth.
You can do whatever you want for garnish. Go wild.
Are we doing some whipped cream?
Take control of your life.
I've got it. Bring it here.
Yeah? Okay, Rico, you got 1 minute to finish this. Go.
Easy. I'm gonna move them right over here. We're gonna do our usual whipped cream.
Oh, now it works.
Like so.
Someone rigged this one.
You said orange mocha, so we get the orange. Chocolate aromas and all that orange zest is gonna come through. And then just for our croissant.
You know I love a good snack with my drink.
And there you go, 100%.
Okay, so there's something missing, Rico.
What's missing? Seems all right to me.
I'm missing that you're subscribing.
I'm missing that you're liking. And I'm hearing no comments, so get to it, guys.
Trying to reach 100,000. I want to see your orange mocha frappuccini martini, but don't forget to hashtag it Absolut Drinks, and you might get featured on absolutdrinks.com.
You heard it here first.
This is Absolut Drinks with AJ. I'm AJ. You're welcome.